I remember 20 odd years ago when a couple of guys came in to see us with a seemingly crazy idea, which was to put ovens into shops and to sell them the frozen dough. And so we developed that brand that is known as Cuisine de France.
Zone Digital is the digital arm of the CMB Design Group, and as such we bring a wealth of experience in marketing and brand building combined with a passion for digital. We're excited about the opportunities that digital marketing tools such as UX and the use of social media offer our clients in terms of enhancing the quality of their relationship with their customers. We're excited too about harnessing the power of the measurability of digital marketing in terms of helping our clients understand the return they're getting for their investment in digital.
We love developing and working with brands, and today is a particularly exciting time for businesses to engage directly with their customers through digital marketing, and we are here to help them on that journey.
At Zone Digital, we offer an ideal combination of brand design awareness and design capabilities combined with a passion for digital. We offer joined up thinking.